In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Miro. Whether you're working collaboratively on a project or simply wish to enhance your visual presentations, adding videos can vastly improve the interactivity and richness of your boards. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening up your Miro board. If you're logged into your Miro account, simply navigate to the dashboard and click on the board you wish to work on. Once you're inside your chosen board, the initial setup is complete. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Miro places its primary toolbar. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different icons as they are designed to help you interact more effectively with your board. On this toolbar, you'll find an icon that looks like a plus sign inside a box. This icon is crucial as it opens up the content creation and uploading panel. Click on it. Once clicked, you should notice a variety of options and tools available for you to use. Among these options, you'll find the upload feature. Clicking on the upload option will then present you with several ways to add media to your board. You'll see choices labeled My Device, Upload via URL, and Saved Files. These options give you the flexibility to either select a video file directly from your device, paste a video link, or choose from files you've previously saved within Miro. If your video is saved on your computer, you'll select My Device, and Miro will prompt you to browse your files and select your video. Alternatively, you might find it more convenient to use Upload via URL. This is particularly useful if your video is hosted online, for instance on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Simply paste the video URL into the designated field. Once you have pasted the URL into the provided space, locate and click the OK button. This action initiates the video upload process on your Miro board. Within moments, the video should appear integrated seamlessly into your board's content. Now that your video is embedded in the board, you can adjust its size or position according to your needs, ensuring it fits perfectly within your design or presentation layout. By embedding videos, you enrich your Miro boards and offer more dynamic content for your collaborators or audience. There you have it, a straightforward guide to enhancing interactivity on your Miro boards by embedding videos. Whether you're presenting a project update, teaching a virtual class, or brainstorming with a team, integrating video content can provide a deeper level of engagement and understanding. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in optimizing your Miro board experience.